We use an aluminum clad wood window, so the exterior portion of the window is actually an aluminum product, and then the interior side is where the wood is. And so where you have to worry about typically wood rot and expansion and contraction is on the outside of the home where it faces the elements. And so you kind of eliminate that happening with the aluminum on the outside and the wood clad on the inside. General maintenance, so keep them clean and keep them painted or sealed or stained. And so over time, anything that's exposed to the elements, if it's wood, is going to need some type of maintenance, which is typically keeping them clean and just keeping them painted, keeping the bare wood, away from the elements as much as possible. And so as long as that's happening, it's kind of like painting your home as well for homes that have wood exteriors, just similar type of general maintenance.